Now, let us proceed now for the integration by parts. Okay. When you say integration by parts, when u and v are differentiable function of x, we have integration by parts. When u and v are differentiable functions of x. We have the derivative of u and v is equal to u dv plus v du. And then u dv is equal to the derivative of u v minus v du. Okay, the integral of u dv is equal to uv minus the integral of v du. Okay, example. Example number 1. The integral of y cube e to the y squared dy. Let your, not let. Okay. Take your u is equal to y squared. And your dv is equal to e to the y squared y dy. Then r du is equal to, using this, you have 2y dy. Integral of your ey squared y dy is equal to 1/2 e to the y squared. And therefore, we have a correction. This one is y squared. Y squared. That is, we have y squared. U is y squared. Du is 2y dy. And then y cubed. We have y cubed. Okay, therefore, we just simplify this one as integral of y squared e to the y squared y dy. Okay, that is the reason we have e to the y squared y dy. Okay, then we have equal to uv. Your u is y squared, your v is 1/2 e to the y squared. Therefore, we have uv that is 1/2 y squared e to the y squared minus v du, the integral of v, which is 1/2 e to the y squared v du to y dy. Okay, therefore, that is equal to 1/2 y squared e to the y squared minus the integral of e to the y squared. Therefore, this one is the integral of eu du, negative 1/2 e to the y squared plus c. Okay, another example, number 2. Okay, integral of x e to the x dx. How do we solve for this one? X e to the x dx. Okay. Let u is equal to x, du is dx. Okay, this one is your u. And then this one would be your dv. Okay. And dv is equal to ex to the dx. And v integrate, therefore that is e to the x. Okay. uv formula, ub minus integral of v du. Okay. Therefore we have ub, uv x e to the x minus integral v is e to the x du, which is dx. Okay, therefore, this one is equal to x e to the x. Integral of eu du is e to the u plus c. Okay, final answer. Next, number 3. Number 3. Integral of x squared ln x dx. Okay, let u is equal to ln x, du is equal to du is equal to dx over x, dv is equal to x squared dx, and v is equal to x cubed over 3. Again, for the formula, uv minus integral of v du equal to uv. Therefore, that is x cubed over 3 ln of x minus integral of v 1/3 x cubed dx over x. We cancel x squared equal to x cubed over 3 ln x, and then therefore that is x squared dx is x cubed over 3 1/3 minus 1/3 x cubed over 3 plus c, or equal to x cubed over 3 ln x minus 1 over 9 x cubed plus c. Four. Integral of x square root of 1 plus x dx, or that is also equal to the integral of x times quantity 1 plus x raised to 1/2 dx. Let u is equal to x and dv is equal to 1 plus x raised to 1/2 dx. A derivative of this one is dx. Integrate v is equal to 1 plus x, 1/2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. Okay, 3 over 2, therefore that is 3 over 3 over 2, or 2/3, 1 plus x raised to 3 halves. Okay, UV again, therefore that is equal to UV 2/3 x times quantity 1 plus x raised to 3 halves minus V du. Okay, 2/3 V 1 plus x raised to 3 over 2 dx equal to 2/3 x 1 plus x raised to 3 halves minus 2/3 u to the n, power formula. Therefore, that is 1 plus x, 3 halves plus 1, that is 5 over 2. Okay, therefore, that is 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 plus c. Or that is equal to equal to 2/3 x 1 plus x raised to 3 halves minus, okay, simplify, therefore this one is 4 over 15 minus 4 over 15, 1 plus x raised to 5 halves plus c. Okay, next example, last, number 5. The integral of arc sine y dy, let u is equal to arc sine y and your dv is equal to dy, and du for the arc sine is the dy over square root of 1 minus y squared, and v is equal to y. Okay. We have uv y arc sine y minus integral of v du. Therefore, we have y dy over square root of 1 minus y squared. Okay, therefore, we have equal now to y arc sine y minus negative times negative y squared. Therefore, okay, therefore we can simplify this one. This one would be 1 minus y squared raised to negative 1 half y dy. But the derivative of negative y squared is negative 2y dy. Negative 2y dy. Therefore, we have to include negative 1 half here. Minus times negative 1 half. Negative times negative, positive. Okay, therefore, we have y arc sine, power formula, y positive 1 half. Then this one would be 1 minus y squared, okay, raised to 1 half over 1 half plus c. Therefore, this one is simplified. We have equal to y arc sine y plus square root of 1 minus y squared plus c.